Spoil Mom for Mother's Day. Visit berries.com, click the microphone, and type code RT News to send her flowers and freshly dipped strawberries for $39.99.
Welcome to The Know, I'm Barbara Dunkelman. Soon Apple will unveil a product that will compete directly with Google's search engine. Or will they? In an elaborate blog post, former Intel Corp Vice President Avram Miller talks about how Steve Jobs started a super secret project named Found before his death in an attempt to rival Google and its search engine. He writes, Google built up an amazing advertising business around search, but advertisers would always go where the audience went. It was not important to Apple to monetize search. What was important for Apple was to disable the Google money machine to defend its franchise. Miller describes a future where false stories about artificial intelligence within Siri are leaked, and even a special appearance by Steve Jobs at a major event in 2015. Yes, you heard right. He says that Apple's secret search mission project was to be so revolutionary that he pre-recorded the announcement before his death and instructed Tim Cook to use it, causing a 30% stock drop for Google, thus creating the Apple takeover we'd eventually come to know. However, if this all seems a little too bizarre, that may be because it is. Or is it? While Miller says we'll just have to wait about a year and a half to find out, he does explain how the scenario can actually play out, since Google is struggling to compete with social networks like Facebook, saying, Google failed at doing to Facebook what Apple did to Google in my story. Google Plus is a major failure, as are many, if not most, of Google's efforts to break out of their dependency on search. They needed to stop Facebook. Facebook knows much more about their users than Google knows about those that use its search capability. Eventually, Facebook will introduce search, and perhaps in collaboration with Apple. He goes on to say, Jobs may be dead, but Zuckerberg is not. And he definitely understands how vulnerable Google really is. He is using Facebook currency, the inflated value of the company's stock, to make some very smart acquisitions, Oculus Rift, cough cough, while most of the acquisitions that Google has made make little sense in my opinion. Nevertheless, while Google struggles to get their act together, Apple is rumored to release the iWatch sometime this year, as well as developing the iOS 8 that will include new features like a new fitness app called HealthBook. That's the news for now, but for the latest in gaming, entertainment, and tech, click like and subscribe and we'll keep you in the know.